explaining about this experiment, that is the rate of respiration. Means you have to study the rate of respiration in a germinating seeds. Means you have to take the seeds which of some because you know that some seeds are containing carbohydrates, some seeds are containing proteins, some seeds are containing fats. So you have to take different type of seeds for this experiment. So mainly you have to take the seeds of wheat or groundnut or grams for this experiment. So for this experiment I am giving you some important introduction or some important things or the points which you will already have studied in your classes, that is in class 10, or you have already studied in your theory books. So regarding this experiment, one thing is there, that is it is a catabolic process. You already know that the respiration is a catabolic process and it are oxidized to form simple compounds like CO2 and carbon dioxide and water. Second thing, the substances oxidized during respiration, means those substances which are we are using here, that is oxidized to form the respiratory substrates. Third point is the rate of respiration can be measured in the terms of either utilization of respiration substrate or oxygen or evolution of carbon dioxide. Means the rate we are finding here, the rate of respiration for which things, that is for the oxygen or the carbon dioxide level. Third and fourth thing is that different respiratory substrates have different quantity of carbon. Means the seeds you are using in the experiment, suppose you are using mustard seeds, or you are using wheat seeds, or you are using any type of grams and beans. Different substances of seeds are having different level of carbon dioxide and oxygen level of respiring in the nature. So you have to observe through this experiment, and you have to make an observation table of this experiment while after doing this. For this experiment we all are using here a apparatus. We have to make a apparatus for it in the laboratory, and till now it is not possible to make a apparatus, but I am giving you some important information regarding it, that you afterwards you will make you will do in the lab. So first I am giving you some introduction regarding that. So our aim is to study the rate of respiration in germinating seeds. Means you have, for finding the rate of respiration, you have to take the different, I have already told you that you have to require different types of seeds, that is such as wheat that contains carbohydrate. Second, mustard or groundnut seeds that contains mostly fats. And third thing, you have to take gram or beans. They are the seeds that mostly contains proteins. For this experiment you have to take this different types of seeds. And the requirement, that is in the laboratory, a conical flask. A conical flask is required, and for this you have to make a apparatus for doing this experiment. You have to take a cork. Cork means you have to take a rubber cap for fixing it, that no air will enter in from the outside, and a beaker. Twice band glass tube, means a glass tube that looks bent from both the sides of the like this. This band glass tube looks like this, that it bends from both the sides of your conical flask. And a small test tube, it is very small. It looks like this much height. Means you have to take so small test tube and a thread. You have to tie it with the thread for hanging this small test tube. And a water, you have to require water for it, and a KOH and a germinating seeds, which you I have already told. And you will observe under this observation table. You have to make a table for it, and you will write that which seed which requires more level of oxygen or carbon dioxide. Experiment, what procedure you have to follow. Here I am showing you that you have to take a definite that is 10 gram of germinating seeds. Means you have to take the which type you are doing the performing the experiment. You have to take the 10 gram of seeds, that is wheat in a conical flask. If you are taking wheat in a conical flask and hang a small test tube containing KOH, means you which seeds you are taking, like suppose wheat you are taking, and you have to hang a small test tube containing KOH in the that is conical flask, and introduce one end of the bent glass tube into conical flask. Means bent glass tube is bent from both the ends, and you have to make that show that the one end of the bent glass tube is dip into the conical flask, and you have to take the cork and you have to fit in the conical flask so that air does not come from that, and dip the free end of the test tube in a beaker containing water, and other bent glass tube you have to dip it into the water. Make the apparatus airtight. Means the which you are making the apparatus, it should be airtight, that no air should be enter into the conical glass which we are using. Here I am showing you the diagram that how you have to make a apparatus for the experiment. Here is the diagram that you have to take this type of conical flask in which you have to take the 10 grams of seeds, and this is the cork which is fitted, so it is made up of rubber, and no air enters from this, and you have to hang one test tube that contains KOH. Means you have to take this type of small test tube that containing KOH, and this is the bent glass tube that its one end is fitted in this conical flask, and second end is fitted in the water, and in other beaker you have to take this water, and this water level rises according to seeds. Means how much respiration takes place through this you can observe in the water. After doing the experiment, you have to make this observation table, which for this you have to make a table like this, that this contains serial number, types of germinating seeds which you are taking for year, that is wheat, mustard and gram and beans, and you have to observe in the rise in the level of water after 30 minutes. Means if it is in the normal condition, no change in the water level condition, and if you are taking wheat, you have to observe and write it down here. And second thing, what is the level of the changes in the water level, you will observe after 30 minutes. Next is mustard or groundnuts, and third last is gram and beans. Means you have to take different types of water level in these types of seeds. So after observing this observation table, you will make a result, that is the rise in the water level is more in the case of wheat. Means in case of wheat the water level rises more as compared to mustard and groundnut and gram beans. Means you have to make a conclusion for that also, that the germinating seeds respire, take oxygen from the flask and release CO2. Means and the KOH crystals in test tube absorb CO2 and creating a vacuum. Means this creates a vacuum in the flask, and this results in the rise of water level in the glass tube. Means what we are concluding here, that the germinating seeds takes oxygen and release carbon dioxide into the water level. Then it increases the water level of the beaker. From the exam point of view or from the experiment, various types of question asked in your exams from the external side, that what is respiration, you know the answer of the respiration, what is respiration, and you have to give they will ask about the two types of respiration. You will already know about that. Is there are two types of respiration, that is aerobic and anaerobic respiration. You already know about the aerobic and anaerobic. That aerobic respiration is that contains that occurs in the presence of oxygen, or anaerobic that occurs in the absence of oxygen or lack of oxygen. ठीक है. उसके बाद anaerobic respiration occurs in humans and animals or mammals, and anaerobic respiration it occurs in the yeast during the fermentation, and anaerobic occurs in also in our muscle cells, that it forms various types of acids during this when muscle cells occurs in the when muscle cells and when there is a lack in the oxygen, the muscle cells will form a lactic acid in our muscles, and their cramps are produced in our muscle cells. Here is our aim, that our experiment aim is to study the rate of respiration in germinating seeds having different substances, that is, such as wheat, you have to take the wheat seeds for that contains carbohydrates. We have to have to calculate this carbohydrate rate, that is, and second one is mustard or groundnut for fats. You have to take the mustard or groundnut seeds for rate of respiration in for the these seeds in the seeds contains fats, and third one is gram and beans, and that contains proteins, and we have to observe its carbon dioxide and oxygen level in these types of seeds. Second thing, what things we have to require for this experiment? The experiment requires a conical flask. For this, you have to take the conical flask from your laboratory, or in the laboratory you have to take cork, beaker, twice bent glass tube. If bent glass tube is available in the laboratory, that it is bent from both the sides, and a small test tube, means a small for this a very small inches test tube you will require, and a thread for hanging it, and on the water, KOH, and germinating seeds, means you have to require the water and give some KOH, and then a germinating seeds which you are taking.